might be my foot thing.
Did you say pool? Yeah, pool.
Pool?
How was school?
Good.
What?
Not excited for tomorrow
Why?
because you're leaving.
Oh no.
She said she's not.
Yeah.
Is that what you were? Okay, I'm getting
Yeah.
your food. I'm hungry.
No.
What's this on
Oh,
Facebook?
what did you
No,
send?
messenger.
Messenger.
What did you send?
It's a video.
So who's it? Zion Zildjian?
No.
A video of what?
A video is like it's a video about like a sheep going to the biggest sea. And they're gonna things it's in the video. And they're gonna see some brand new species also.
I like those videos.
So yun, early dinner kami ngayon mga par.
And also they're gonna
Kasi last day na nila ngayon dito sa Toronto.
I like those
And bukas uwi na sila
you'll see a lot of
in the morning.
new deep sea.
So,
yeah.
ayun.
I like chocolate ice cream kasi
And then mamaya may bisita kami. Mamayang bandang gabi. Mapapa, kaya kailangan naming umalis na ngayong maaga pa. Oh.
when it's your last day tomorrow.
Going home.
You want to press the button here?
Sa button day.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's not. It's not.
I'm gonna beat you.
May susi, di ba? Susi.
Slow
What you learn
boat.
at school today?
As always.
I don't know.
Turtle. There you go.
Yeah. Oh, what's your favorite in that? Yung ano? Wow. Meron kang ganyan eh.
Oy, not that one, huh?
Ensaymada, hindi.
Because warmer, they sell them outside. We've never been inside. We just got
Like, give it the chocolates. Two almonds, what?
Bago siya po mag 1 dozen po, 55 po yung 1 dozen natin, yung sa $60.
55 a dozen.
Dozen.
Oh.
Sige pa. Okay, so then we'll have we get the two.
Nights Cafe. Saan? Dito kami sa may Nets Cafe mga par. Ano ba yan? Nets ba yan? Ayun. Nets Cafe. Bibili yata sila na ensaymada. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan kami kakain ngayon. Ano? Nets Cafe. Tignan namin ngayon. Hintayin ko lang sila.
Alright.
Alright.
So,
Let's go to Dale.
Uy! Ano yun, Day? Let's go. So nakabili na kami ng ensaymada. So maghanap na kami ng maupuan. Saan kami kakain?
I want to say 2
And she said
parmesan.
it's hers.
Oh no!
This is where they have the Filipino guys. Like always.
Yours is best.
Yan na yung balik ka Pampangan mo ba? Ito pala yung Kiko's. Iyamos. At dito na nga ang napili namin. Ayan na, balik ka pang pasok. Uy, 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 uy. So yun, dito ulit kami sa Balikang Pampangan mo pa.
Kasi marami naman yan. Dadating ng ano, baka ito yung ano lang.
Tapos pag may additional price tapos balikan mo po kayo sa nasa first nakalimutan po kayo ng menu.
Oh my goodness. Somebody's
Saan ako?
Welcome po. Here's the menu.
Meron kaming tea, ginger tea.
Saan ako? Sarap maging vloggers ah.
And also in front, we do offer the mark at the table. Because there's a fresh seafood there that you can choose if you wanna check those.
Dalawa po.
Like not by heaven.
Tama ba?
Could you put this by heaven up there?
I-review mo sa akin yung mga order ko lahat na ano ha? Apo. Ibig sabihin
Or you can...
Palagay muna natin.
Hindi. Hindi ah. Sakto pala tayo rito. Mamaya, yan na natin.
mali kayo dyan. Mali.
Sisig tita. Oh. Haha. Kaya mo naman yung ano nila mga par gold oh. Pangalawang beses namin rito. Nakaraan dito rin kami. Sino kasama natin dito? Sila lang. Ito yung tatlo. Ah, si Jane. Wala si Tita Yanti, di ba?
Wala.
First time pala.
Let you know lang po, we don't allow outside mga
Ah, okay.
Kung hindi nyo naman po kakainin.
Hmm. Hindi. Saan orderin mo, mami? Kare-kare? Thank you. Bayad ka naman.
What is that?
It's like squid.
Squid.
Wait, I tried this before.
Meme.
What sauce is this?
Toxic.
Who wants some rice? Or just the garlic?
Garlic. Ano na yung po? This is for us. There's your peanut sauce.
I'll get the
Wow, you want the flag?
Love.
You got the flag? Wow.
Yung bulalo na lang.
Lalo na lang.
Thank you.
Look at me. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We'll let Mark.
We'll let Cuphead do it. That's good.
Hey, birthday! Happy birthday! Uwi na mga par. Busog na kami. So gusto nyo pumunta rito, balik ka Pampangan, masarap.
Naktakbo na, halika na.
Takbo! Ha?
This is some What do you guys? This is my souvenir.
Kunti na lang? Sige. Ha? Sila?
Okay, lagay na lang kasama ng lumpia. Kasama lang.
Oo, sama mo lumpia. Oh. Sama mo sa lumpia. Thank you. Uy!
Thank you, Tita Yanti.
Alisan mo na yung dahil.
I'm trying.
Is this your copy or?
You can have it if you want.
I don't need it.
Inza, you're still not done.
She's still eating. Oh my goodness.
So yung mga take-out namin mga paro. Ang dami oh.
She's not gonna have any room for her cookies and cream.
Saan? Okay. Uy, ito to. Hindi na ako makatayo ah. Busog ako ah. Tara, may mga customer pang upo. Sige tayo.
Kuya, sabay-sabay tayo ha.
Ayan mga paro. May mga pangarin sila, isda, pampano. Ito, ano to? Kapulapo, lobster. Ayan. May birthday pa rito. Yun tayo. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya. Ingat kayo.
Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Come back again. Uy, ulan, ulan. Ayan. So yun, uwi na kami mga bar. At balik Kapampangan.
Smell the barbecue. Kevin, can you hold my purse?
We'll go to Tito Juan. We'll go to Tito Juan.
Yeah,
Hey, who's Tito Juan? Can you hold this
dito.
for a second? I'll just zip though.
Zip the coat.
Ang ng stage nila.
Ano stage?
Hold on.
Dami pang tao mga paro. Dumating yung tao bandang gabi na mga 6.
So where were they from?
Kasi wala nang trabaho Friday ngayon mga par. So kakalabas lang nila kaya siguro dating na sila. Meron pa silang ano dito labas oh. Tulad yan oh. Yan, pwede pa dyan mga par pero may snow kasi kaya ano. Pero pag summer pwede yan dyan. Extra pa nila yan. So yun. Second time namin dito mga par no?
Kayo, bibili ka ba?
Sarap din talaga.
Kung bibili ka, bumili ka na.
Ha? Anong bibili mo?
Harina daw.
Should we drive over to get him?
Talaga naman.
Huwag na. Marina.
Sir, mom?
Should we drive over to get him or?
Hindi, doon. Saan ba tayo nakaparada? Doon din yung nakaparada eh.
Doon tayo sasakay, doon tayo tatawid. Yeah, we'll cross the
Ay, oh, dito pala tayo ano. O, doon tayo. Doon din pala ang tawiran.
No, just
Kaya thank you.
no.
Ulit ko lang. Let's go.
From there.
Yeah.
me more flash.
Okay.
This is how we sell food in the Philippines. Ensaymada!
Yeah. Ayun. Uwi na. Si Matt, no, pumunta pa doon sa Republika dahil gusto niya yung barbecue doon, mga pa.
Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tita Yanti, for the food
Thank you for the
and for the
quality.
Naku! Sabi mo, patrasin mo na.
I know.